Now, a roadshow is underway in Varanasi as Prime Minister Modi is visiting the city. His Mauritian counterpart is also in the city on a state visit. Now, both the leaders are expected to hold a bilateral meet where they're going to discuss the issues which are of importance to both the countries, including regional and global issues. In fact, so a lot is there on the table for both the leaders to discuss, ranging from economic ties to also cultural ties. So this is essentially diplomacy, a meeting, spirituality in the city of Varanasi, where both the leaders are meeting and they're going to hold bilateral talks as well. Currently showing you visuals of the roadshow underway. You can see the supporters of Prime Minister lining up the streets of Varanasi. In fact, to just get a glimpse of Prime Minister Modi. Now joining me on the broadcast is Raja Lakshmi Joshi. She is a political analyst. Thank you, Ms. Joshi, for joining us on News9. Now, I want to ask you the first question. Prime Minister Modi is in Varanasi and a lot is planned for the leader. He's going to meet with his Mauritian counterpart. Both are going to hold a bilateral talk as well. Walk us through the course of events that are going to take place, and also what kind of messaging does this send out?
Very good afternoon. This is a very delightful moment in the ties between India and Mauritius. And this is the continuation, I guess, of the visit that, PM Modi had last year in the
Right.
March. So, India and Mauritius share a very deep emotional tie, cultural ties, and a civilizational tie as well. And it goes back to centuries, actually. So, as I said, in your earlier show, that this actually a lot of the people from Mauritius have their origins, their ancestral origins in India. So that is how it is, and I'm sure that the current PM of Mauritius, Ram Gulamji, also shares some, his DNA perhaps is, it has Indian origins. So that is how things are. And PM Modi had said when he had visited Mauritius that, he feels like he's in mini India, because this is, I think almost 70% of people of Mauritius are, they have Indian origins. So that is how deep it is, between India and Mauritius. So always, whenever somebody from India visits Mauritius, they always have this, they have this sentimental kind of a feel, and they feel very nice and they feel happy talking about the cultural ties. So we have deep cultural ties. We have this civilization actually. So that is the, I think so. Varanasi is the perfect center to be hosting the Prime Minister during this visit. So this I think this is definitely going to go a long way into deepening these cultural ties that we share with Mauritius, and also in the current scenario where the whole world and especially smaller countries are deeply burdened by the tariffs by the US, and there are a lot of conflicts happening all over the world. So then there is this not a very easy time. This is a very difficult time for most countries. So that is how things stand. And in this current scenario, so Mauritius and India definitely have a lot to gain from this cultural exchange, from the bilateral talks, from all the economic talks, from all our trade talks, from all of that. We have a lot to gain. So for Mauritius, we are a security provider. And at the same time, for us, Mauritius is a very strategic location in the Indian Ocean region. So, from the point of view of maritime security, Mauritius has always been a very integral part of our security. So now, especially since, like I said, in the current scenario, we definitely have a lot to look out for, especially when it comes to China. So Mauritius is a very crucial and a very strategic partner in that aspect. And also, since we are looking to expand our export markets, so from that point of view, also Mauritius could turn out to be another new market. And at the same time, Mauritius also looks to doubled their exports in the past years. So that is how things stand. And there are a lot of crucial areas where the talks are going to happen. The bilateral talks after the Ganga Arati. So the Ganga Arati, I think it will be a good start, and it will be setting a good tone for this the bilateral talks, and for all the statements, for the MOUs that will happen later. So there are a lot of crucial areas where India and Mauritius have a lot to gain together, like whether it may be in terms of pharmaceuticals, health, education, infrastructure. So a lot of infrastructure in Mauritius is definitely, it is thanks to Indian support and cooperation, and so that is how the Mauritius PM is looking towards a lot of cooperation from the Indian side. And at the same time, PM Modi always has, he develops good emotional ties with all the heads of state. So that helps and goes a long way into creating much stronger bilateral ties with all these different countries.